Hi, my name is Porscha Lee Taylor and I am the founder of SayYes Planners. And today we're doing an unboxing video of our new wireless charging, power bank, and undated planner all in one notebook. Debuting in two colors, we have here our Black Onyx notebook. It's a vegan-friendly soft PU leather with an onyx button, and we have here is our rose gold notebook. Light pink with a gold button. Now both planners are A5 size notebooks, meaning they're 7 by 9 and about a ½ inch thick. Easy to wipe clean, absolutely beautiful and perfect for any professional. But for now, let's dive right into this one. We have here a keepsake box that every planner will come in when not in use, and you will also receive a 3 feet white USB-A cable cord. Now this cable adapter is going to be how you charge your power bank in the back of your book, but we're going to jump a little bit into that later. I just wanted you to see what all comes inside of your box for your notebook. Now, upon opening your notebook, you have here a long, beautiful leather rope to bind your notebook together, and you can use this lateral or horizontal and just wrap it around your button, and it keeps everything secure and right in place. And when you open, voila! Here we have that texture look all throughout the book. You have your QI standard wireless charger, 70 pages of undated planning, a leather pen holder. You have 4 business cards holder, a note holder in here, and we're going to show you exactly what type of organization you have with this planner when you get your SayYes planner. As I mentioned, you have your 4 business card holders, which is perfect when you're networking and you're in meetings, and you have a file folder. I love this file folder because it actually has some wiggle room in there. If you're like me and like to carry a lot of things, you have that space, and you can also put your phone in here. That's right, no pockets, no bags needed. You can put your phone right in your book and go. Every notebook will come with blank inserts. This is our journal blank version. We also have an undated daily, weekly, monthly, yearly calendar as well. And in every notebook you have in the back here, beautifully laid, a magnetic phone stand. That's right, you heard me, and I'll show you how that works later. But right underneath is your 8000 mAh lithium-ion battery power bank and your LED power indicator button. Now, here we have your lightning cable for all of your Apple and iPhone needs, your USB cable for your Android, Bluetooth, or tablets that you can charge with, and the last cord here, this is your USB cable. This is how you're going to be able to charge your power bank. So I'm going to show you here exactly how these cords work and how you can maximize using your SayYes planner. Here is our extension cable I mentioned earlier. You'll simply push that right into your USB and take the other end and put it into your computer or into a phone power box, and it will start charging. When it is blinking, that lets you know that the power bank is in use. Simply detach and it will auto shut off. There is an auto sleep mode on here for eco-friendly charging. And here we have that magnetic phone stand. Turn any phone into a hands-free device. If you're a YouTuber and you have a YouTube channel, or you have to do a conference and you need everyone to see you, this is the perfect notebook to do all of those things. We have here our QI standard wireless charging pad. Simply all you do is lay in your Apple or Android newer version phone, hit our LED button, and voila, your phone is now charging wirelessly from a notebook. Now, this planner can charge up to 3 devices. So in the front, I have one Samsung. In the back, I'm charging another. And here I have an iPad. That's right, 3 devices in one notebook, simultaneously charging them all at once. Now, this 8000 mAh battery can charge one device up to 3 times before needing a recharge. And it takes about 4 hours to recharge your power bank altogether. But with that 10 watt of energy on that wireless power bank, you're definitely going to be able to charge both of your devices, whether you have an iPhone or an Android. It's absolutely beautiful. And the great thing about your wireless pad is that it doubles as a bookmark. So when you want to see where you last left, you just put it there and there you go. And it actually triples as an extended wireless pad. So if you don't need to use your planner, but you do need to charge your phone while you're on the plane or in the car, just slide it right in and there you go. Our planners retail at $98 on our website at SayYesPlanners.com. But right now we have an awesome sale going on if you visit our website and sign up. And for ladies, you're going to love this because our new planner actually fits right inside of your handbag. So get yours today at SayYesPlanners.com.